Welcome to the ultimate guide to installing a concrete patio in Mid-Hill, North Carolina. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps involved in creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space. From site selection to finishing touches, we've got you covered with expert tips and detailed instructions to ensure your concrete patio project is a success. Selecting the right location for your concrete patio is crucial to its long-term success. Consider factors like sunlight exposure, ensuring you have the right balance of sun and shade throughout the day. Additionally, proximity to the house is important for easy access and functionality. By carefully choosing the optimal spot, you can maximize enjoyment of your outdoor space and create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. Properly preparing the ground is essential for a successful concrete patio installation. Begin by clearing the area of any vegetation and debris to ensure a clean and level surface. Once the ground is ready, lay out the patio's dimensions using string and stakes to mark the boundaries accurately. This step is crucial for ensuring the patio is the correct size and shape, setting the foundation for a professional and polished end result. Achieving the perfect concrete mix is essential for a durable and visually appealing patio. Learn the proper technique for mixing the concrete to the right consistency, ensuring a strong and long-lasting foundation for your outdoor space. Once mixed, pouring the concrete evenly onto the prepared area is crucial for creating a smooth and level surface. This step requires precision and attention to detail to guarantee a professional finish that will enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your patio. The finishing touches on your concrete patio can elevate its appearance and functionality. Discover the various finishing options available, from stamped concrete to decorative overlays, to personalize your outdoor space and enhance its aesthetic appeal. In addition, maintenance tips are essential for preserving the beauty and durability of your patio in the long run. Learn how to properly care for your concrete patio to ensure it remains in top condition for years to come, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor retreat to the fullest.